Okay. Hi Vishnu, congratulations to clearing the DP203 exam. So, how was the experience?
Thank you, Devi. And
Yes.
first of all, I would like to thank you for I'm creating this group.
Ah,
It is a good positive. I mean, a complete environment to us.
okay. Our
We
community
can
batch
inspire each of
really help,
us.
right?
Yeah, we can inspire each of us. To
Yeah.
be honest, I got inspired from Anand
Mm,
because
mm.
he was. I mean, he's working as a data engineer, right?
Yes.
So if we can do this DP203, why can't I? And so that I have planned, even though I have rescheduled for 3 times
Mm.
to attempt this exam, but
Ah,
I am able to overcome it.
yes. Because we are thanks to Anand also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Really helpful because when you sharing this, that in the first time, Anand also really struggled to come into the in the video. Then he ready, Devi. I will give you one kind of podcast. Definitely, it will help more people, right? It will be inspire a lot of people. So that is the reason I think I can create a small kind of what are the things you get in the DP203 exam. These are very important when you sharing with our team and all. So how was the exam, Vishnu?
Exam was easy there.
Easy.
Yeah, very easy.
Okay.
But the thing is, we want to go each and every dump, I mean, every MCQ. Uh,
Okay.
it is very, uh, they are giving, I mean, the more options to us and
Okay.
they're filtering it.
Okay.
So we need to go with every MCQ. I mean, they're splitting like they, they are asking the questions in a fashion like
Mm.
from a single topic. They are asking four questions.
Okay. Uh-huh.
If you miss the topic, then
Ah.
we won't be able to. I mean, give the answers to them.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
And for
That's
the
nice.
first question, I got three questions from SEDs, slowly
Mm.
changing dimensions.
Mm.
So three questions continuously. And
Mm.
the thing is, the self-integration runtime in ADF.
Okay.
And the next is regarding concurrent of jobs. I mean, number
Mm.
of concurrent jobs is lowered or higher, and what is
Mm.
your the opinion or option?
Mm.
And the high availability is enabled in the self-integration runtime.
Mm.
So these are the things they asked, and two questions from the window functions,
Mm.
and the other part is from the Azure Synapse. More is
Okay.
from the Azure Synapse itself. Like they
Mm.
are asking the dimension tables and the fact tables,
Mm.
and moreover they are asking like you create a table in like Synapse.
Mm.
They are asking like for dedicated SQL pool, they are preferring the partition table MCQs,
Mm.
and for the serverless, they are preferring the external table and as well as the temporal tables. I can see
Oh,
only these things. They are asking more times, more number of times. I'm not
okay.
sure why
That
they are
means
repeating these
dragging,
things.
dragging and a drop. There is one question in the exam topic, right? That kind of question.
Yeah, they are
Creating
dragging
the.
one to one. I
Okay.
thought that they will ask only one question from one topic, but it
Mm.
is not in that fashion.
Mm.
I mean, they are taking one topic and they're connecting dots to every MCQ.
Oh, okay.
I mean, they intention like to check our deep knowledge in that topic.
Mm. Mm. Any practical question you faced, Vishnu?
Practical in the sense, you mean real time?
Yes, real time you need to create a pipeline or drag and drop. These kind of question you faced.
Yeah, Devi, I have faced like I mean data transformation from Azure Blob Storage to Azure Delta Lake Storage. They are
Mm.
asking the scenario like you create a I mean data factory pipeline. They are told to arrange in sequence. Like
Okay.
we create a data pipeline. I didn't remember Devi these options.
No worries, no worries. Yeah.
Yeah.
So because I just want to know because people are really because after February 6th they will be slightly changed, right? Then Anand also told like more questions from coming from the synapse, and that's why I'm just asking if there are any position. For example, we need to code writing something. That kind of question you didn't get, right?
No, Devi.
No, okay. Then what are the topic? Databricks. Databricks comes into picture. So what are the questions like Databricks you got?
I I didn't see any Databricks question, Devi.
Oh,
Uh,
really?
yeah,
Okay.
thing is, I went through the real time. At the last, there is a real time. I mean, practical scenario.
Mm.
In that scenario, I got only two questions,
Okay, okay.
and the rest of the things like there are no yes or no questions. And again, they dragged and connected every dot. Yes or no
Okay.
questions like I mean when I go through the dumps, I remembered only the correct answer like S. I mean the S option. I left
Mm.
the no option, but I thought that I should not do this while attending the exam. I came to know we need to go even
Okay,
through the
okay.
wrong answer also.
Okay, okay, got it. So that was the one thing you faced, right?
Yeah,
Okay, okay. The rest of the thing, I think,
actually
whatever we
Devi.
discuss about the exam topic, same thing, right?
Yeah, actually, I thought that I want to go with the practical sessions and then I want to clear this
Mm,
DP203. But it didn't work with me
mm,
because, I'm the new to the Azure DP203, and even I'm not sure about a single terminology, Azure, what is Azure Synapse and Azure Stream Analytics earlier. And
mm,
even you
mm.
provided the PPTs, presentations, and you brought us, you made a great effort, Devi. I mean, with these PPTs,
Thanks, Vishnu. Thanks
you
so much.
like you prepare the PPTs in a familiar fashion so that a zero knowledge like me, he can
Mhm.
understand the things. But the thing is, I can understand them, but I cannot recall them when I need it.
Okay, okay.
So these
Because
dumps make me helpful in this fashion. Well,
daily we are practice other any section, for example, anything we are daily practicing, we are remembering the terminologies. So that is the one concern. It's facing everyone, Vishnu, not in your case. Everyone facing the same issue. But daily we are practicing in the same thing, right? If you are practicing the ADF scenarios, database scenario, Snowflake scenario, it will be you more familiar. But thing is like that, this is vast actually. Everything ADF is vast, Databricks is vast. But once you acquire some kind of knowledge, some kind of practical section we did, right? So that is enough to clear the exam. Once we clear the exam, we need to fully focused on the practical. For example, CSV conversion, how to convert, how to divide the partition strategy. So that will be the advanced level. So that will be the next thing I am definitely suggesting for you. Normally, Databricks also getting, but I think in the maybe in the after six, maybe they change the item. Anand also told me like that. There is not much Databricks question he get.
entire Azure Synapse, Devi, because they are
Uh,
asking interior things like dimensional tables, fact
uh,
tables,
uh,
and SCADs. I got 3 to 4 questions from SCDs itself,
okay,
and the
SCD,
self-integration times.
yeah,
Yeah.
SCD one and SCD two. That also we can expect when the means Databricks also, because it is common kind of thing. When I write the exam, I wrote the exam right in the past. So I also got the question like fact table, and at that time Synapse is not familiar like that, but fact table, dimension table, and this SCD one, SCD two, everything I also got.
And they are also asking the version control of the ADF, Devi.
Okay, version control. Okay, that
Version
also
control.
there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Any
And
question from logic apps or key vault? Any question you got?
I didn't look it from Event Hub. Uh, I
Event Hub
I
already we
mean, there is a
discussed in the
question
call.
from the Event Hub, Devi.
Event Hub.
Actually, it is related to the Azure Stream. They ask like, and they have given 4 options,
Mm.
and they are asking what is the input to the Azure Stream Azure Stream
Uh,
Analytics. We
streamer,
have the three
okay.
inputs, right? Event Hub, IoT Hub, and Azure Blob Storage.
IoT Hub, blob storage, yes, yes.
Yeah. So they are asking the inputs
Mm.
to the Azure Stream,
Okay, okay. Yes.
and they also ask regarding the I mean dynamic data masking. I got 2 questions
Dynamic.
from it.
From the email masking, that kind of question,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Uh,
Mm.
they didn't ask about email. They asked
Ah.
about the credit card information.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay. So we need to
And
hide these credit card
yeah,
information. Mm.
one is for the data. I mean dynamic data masking,
Mm.
and the other is for the column level security option.
Okay, okay. Column level and the row level security. Okay, column
Yeah,
level security they ask, right?
they are, every MCQ they are dragging deeply. That I mean, they are testing the person the knowledge in deep.
Okay.
They
How
are
many
connecting
hours?
dots.
How many hours it took?
Uh, you mean to attempt the exam for me?
Yes, yes, yes.
As I am prepared with dumps, it has taken for me 45 minutes.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. So
Uh,
I think it is pretty compared to last time. It was you were more familiar with these kind of things, right? Right now.
yeah, Devi, even I have cleared the DP203.
Mm,
I'm not happy with DP203, but I'm happy with
mm,
these things because earlier I have zero knowledge. Even though
mm,
you are telling on the presentations and in the meetings, you are explaining each and every in detail,
mm,
but I'm not getting you.
mm,
I'm I'm able to understand your the topics, but
mm,
I cannot recall. And after the session,
mm,
I go to the PPT and the mind was blank for me. But
mm,
the entire scenario is changed now
mm,
after I mean after preparing these demos, after going and visiting the Microsoft links every time,
mm.
and now I'm confident and I became very familiar to these terminologies.
Okay. Because when you're practicing these, because first time, if anyone, when you hear first time, it will not be remember in your mind, right? When you practice it again and again, maybe in the third time, it will be more powerful in our mind. So that is the
Yeah,
psychology.
Devi.
So in even in the whoever working or whoever learning in the higher positions also, they are saying the same thing. If you first time learn, maybe it will not. Otherwise, it will be a superpower or something. But normal people don't know to remember these things. But again and again, that means third time, once you read and once you depth, when you grab this knowledge, it will be more powerful. It will be remain in our head. So I'm really happy, Vishnu. Anyway, you cleared, right? From that zero
Yeah,
to knowledge to currently you cleared the DP203. I think you took almost 2 months, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So that means from the
Actually,
zero knowledge.
Devi, the thing is, I
Mm,
stuck with practical sessions, Devi.
mm,
Uh,
mm.
I started DP203 preparation from the 20th of March.
Okay. Mm,
I thought that it will be completed within 5 days, and I have
mm,
scheduled on the 5th March.
mm,
But I'm not able to complete since I'm the new to the Azure DP203.
mm,
Every 20 minutes video of the Tech Backboard channel, it has
mm,
taken me one day.
mm,
Because there in the question it will be like Azure Synapse dedicated SQL pool. I
mm,
don't know
mm,
Azure Synapse itself in the first
mm,
instance, and
mm,
what
mm.
is dedicated, what is SQL. So I
Okay.
need
Okay.
to go to the
Actually,
Microsoft link. I need to go
uh,
to the architecture. I need to understand that. So if
uh,
for the first time, it has taken nearly, it has killed my entire time there.
okay.
But later on
Actually,
that, I am able to cover it.
thanks, Vishnu, because I think like that previous examination, whatever February 6, it was fully focused on the ADF and Databricks. I think after 6th February, it will be fully focusing on the data synapse analytics, right?
Yeah,
So yeah, I think I can add more content to that courses also. So that will be better. So more focus because I think 3 or 4 days I focused on the synapse. So that time I didn't get much update because Anand also told me like more focus, currently more focus on the Synapse because everything available in the ADF is available in the Synapse itself. So pipeline, everything, right? Data lake, everything will be available in the Synapse. So that is the reason maybe they will be more focusing on the Synapse. Okay,
and
yeah.
there are some questions like the file formats. Devi, I got a
File
question. Yeah,
Parquet, right?
Parquet.
Parquet,
It's not
CSV,
Parquet, Devi.
JSON.
Avro.
Ah,
They
Avro.
they yeah they have asked like they
Ah,
want to retain the data.
mm,
So for retaining data and messages, we use
mm.
Avro, right? Uh,
Retaining for Q and right when the transferring data.
I just remembered only a
Ah,
sentence, Devi. I mean,
okay,
regarding the
maybe
Avro. So
maybe
by
the scenario is different. Okay,
yeah, by
normally,
looking at that retained point, I have
ah,
chosen the option Avro itself.
okay, maybe it will be raw level kind of because Avro we are using the raw level reading.
Yeah, row level
Park
format and timestamps
Parquet
also.
yes,
Uh,
timestamp also.
they have also mentioned timestamps.
Parquet is the that is the reason maybe. Parquet we are using more on the mean fastest reading and columnar format, these kind of thing.
Yeah. And
Okay.
one more question from the window functions, Devi.
Window
Uh,
functions that we
not
already
not
discussed in the
one
class,
two
right?
questions, Devi. One is
Mm,
they ask indirectly. I mean, regarding that tumbling question,
mm,
and
mm.
the
Tumbling
other thing is
window, section
hopping.
window,
Yeah,
hopping window, session window. Okay. Like vehicle is passing through this one, right? That kind of question.
yeah, Devi. But they
Okay.
didn't give any example.
Mm,
They they just asked the real time scenario, like
mm,
they're providing a real time issue, and they
mm,
are asking.
mm. Okay, okay, okay. Great, great. Yeah. Okay. So thanks, Vishnu. Thanks for sharing this one. I'm just stopping this one. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Devi.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful to you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye, Devi.